So good day to each and everyone, especially to you, sir. I am Christine J. De La Flor, and my topic is all about the volleyball equipment. The team sport of volleyball requires the type of sporting equipment below. Number 1, volleyball, and the number 2, court. Volleyball. The size of the ball should be no larger than 81 centimeter or 31 inches in circumference and weight no more than 226 grams or 8 ounces. So, sa sport na volleyball, ang mismong bola nito is may required size siya, which is dapat hindi siya lalagpas or hindi siya lalaki ng lagpas na 81 centimeters or 32 inches at hindi rin siya pwedeng bumigat ng 226 grams or 8 ounces. It should be as close as possible to the regulation size volleyball. So, sa bola pala ng volleyball, pwede siyang hindi siya exact size ng volleyball. Pwede siyang hindi exact, pwede rin at bawal siyang sumobra sa size or sa exact sizes. Kasi 'di ba may possibilities na magkaroon ng problema pag lumagpas dun sa size na kailangan yung bola. May possibilities na pumutok or magka-problema sa laro mismo. Then, the ball shall be spherical in shape and made of flexible leather or synthetic leather with a bladder inside, made of rubber or similar material. So, yung bola, requirement din sa bola ng volleyball is dapat nasa spherical shape siya. Hindi siya pwedeng nasa ibang state ng size. For example, may 'di ba, mapapansin naman natin kapag once na hindi natin iningatan yung bola may possibilities na maiba yung shape niya. Sometimes magkakaroon ng umbok or magiging oblong yung shape ng bola. So it also made by flexible leather or synthetic leather with a bladder may inside made of rubber or the similar material. So, yung bola ng volleyball is gawa siya sa flexible leather, which is familiar naman tayo doon, yung parang rubbery siya na texture. Yung plain siya and matigas. Then yung synthetic naman is yun yung parang meron siyang foam na halo, which is yung parang magaan siya pag nilalaro natin. Yung sa flexible leather naman or sa maganda siyang gamitin because hindi siya yung katulad doon sa foamy na bola na magaan, yung hindi natin nakokontrol yung pag-spike or pag-receive natin. While sa synthetic naman and sa flexible leather naman is hindi siya ganun kagaan, hindi rin siya ganun kabigat. Its color may be a uniform light color or a combination of color. So, we all know naman na may two colors yung yung bola ng volleyball. First one is yung plain white, which is yun na yung uniform color, which is isang kulay lang siya. Hindi siya as in white lang, mayroong iba-ibang may other color pero plain lang siya, wala siyang halo color. Ang isang color naman niya is yung combination, which is yung nakikita natin na iba-ibang color na mostly nakikita natin dun sa bola na with foam na ginagamit sa beach volley or yung magaan na bola. The inside pressure shall be 0.30 or 0.32 kilogram centimeter squared or 4.26 to 4.60 psi. So, yung required din na pressure sa loob ng bola is dapat nasa 0.30 or 0.32 kilogram centimeters squared or nasa 4.26 to 4.61 psi. Hindi siya pwedeng lumagpas sa pressure na ilalagay natin sa loob kasi may possibilities na kapag nasobrahan siya ng pressure sa loob, may possibility na magbilis siyang pumutok or pag kulang naman, may possibility siya na hindi siya as in bouncy like yung normal talaga na nalalaro natin. And dapat aware din tayo dun sa pressure inside para ma-maintain din natin yung laro natin. Then, in modified team competition, a lighter weight leather or synthetic leather modified volleyball ball may be used. So, ayun na nga sabi ko. There are two types, di ba? So, sa modified team competition daw, it's either lightweight leather or synthetic leather, which is yung full yung uniform color or yung combination color, which is yung lighter weight, yung meron siyang combination colors, and then yung synthetic leather naman is yung full uniform color siya. So number 2, court. While it is recommended that a regulation 60 meter by 18 meters or 26 feet 6 inches by 59 feet court to be used. So, sa court naman natin, kung meron tayong required size sa bola, meron din tayong required size sa court, which is dapat yung gagamitin natin na court or yung recommended na kailangan na gamitin ng court is hindi siya lalagpas ng 9 meters by 18 meters or 29 feet 6 inches by 59 feet court ang gagamitin natin. Dapat ganun siya kalawak. Yun yung recommended na lawak ng volleyball court na pwede natin gamitin pag maglalaro tayo ng volleyball. So, the Special Olympics modification allows for the service line to be moved closer to the net but closer than 4.5 meters or 14 feet and 9 inches. So, according sa Special Olympics, ang modification ina-allows nila na ang serving line ay dapat medyo malapit siya sa net natin, but hindi siya malapit siya sa net pero hindi siya hindi siya ganun kalapit na nasa 4.5 meter or 14 inches. Dapat hindi siya lalagpas doon sa pagsiserve niya. If a regulation size court is unavailable, then modification may be made to allow for play in a safe manner. So kung hindi available yung court na recommended talaga, which is yung nasa 9 meter by 18 meter, is pwede tayong maglaro sa court na according lang sa safe manner natin, yung hindi naman sobrang layo, hindi naman sobrang liit, hindi naman sobrang lapad, which is yung pwede pa rin tayong maglaro in a safe way. So dito ito yung size ng volleyball and ng court. So sa volleyball, yun na sinabi ko na may 21.5 cm or 8.5 inches yung laki o yung taas ng volleyball and circumference approximately 65 cm or 26 inches. So sa volleyball court naman, 9 meters ang haba, 9 meters yung haba or 30 feet. Then yung lapad na yung lapad naman is nasa 18 meters and 60 feet. So out of the bounds antenna or yung ating net, ang recommendation, ang size ng net ang taas ng net natin for men is nasa 2.43 meters or 8 feet para sa lalaki yon na maglalaro ng volleyball. Then 2.24 meters or 7 feet and 4 inches for women naman. Then sa ating meron siyang iba't ibang klase ng line. Number 1 is the end line, which is yung sa may bandang service. Then active line, kung saan papesto yung ating receiver or blocker. Then sideline is yung sa gilid. Then sa center line is yung sa banda sa ating net. Then front zone, where yun natin yung para front zone or front is doon natin doon nakapesto yung ating mga blockers. Then sa back zone naman yung ating mga receiver. And that's all. God bless and thank you.